Hi there, I'm William Austin, CEO of Bemis Company Inc. Ever since we were founded in 1858, we have maintained a focus on two things. These two things are a commitment to progressive thinking and a desire to help our customers succeed. That's why here at Bemis, we allocate a large portion of our funds to research and development. This allows us to stay at the top of the packaging industry, as we are able to offer our customers unique product solutions that meet their ever-changing needs. Our ability to adapt has helped us land some of the biggest clients in the food packaging industry. We currently have contracts with big names such as Philip Morris, General Mills, Pillsbury, and many more. While the majority of our production is for the food packaging industry, we also provide packaging solutions for agribusiness, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and chemical industries. In addition to this, we provide specialty coated and graphic products. In recent years, we have had to close some of our manufacturing plants as part of our facility consolidation program. Having to close facilities is never a fun thing to do, as it often leaves our loyal employees jobless. However, we have taken measures to try and avoid instances like this by offering transitional services to all affected employees. These plant closures, along with the acquisition of smaller packaging companies, have allowed us to maintain a high level of profitability in recent years and provide our shareholders with a relatively stable growth of their investment in us. This ability to maintain a high level of profitability has allowed us to develop new and exciting packaging technologies. Let's head on over to the lab to see what they've been working on.
Hi, my name is William Jackson, and I'm going to talk about our competitive position. So our competitive position is not only to provide high quality food packaging service to our customers, but most importantly, we are trying to help customers to create insights of new packaging ideas. Such competitive position decided that our products are highly customizing, and the differentiation is our competitive advantage. Three supporting elements of the competitive advantage are technology, expertise, and suppliers. Our high-tech machines help to achieve the goal of cost efficiency. We can assist customers to save maximally 50% of the cost. We also require all our employees to have brilliant characters of innovation, respect, accountability, and ethics. When we try to help customers to find the lowest cost suppliers, we also try to reflect the low cost aspect during the process of producing. All these resources build up our competences of quality, innovation, and customer responsiveness. Our competitive advantage is sustainable on a long-term base. We never stop seeking innovation opportunities for both the customers and ourselves. So let's turn to our president of controllers to talk about the assessment in the long term.
Hi guys, I'm Jerry Grandpa. I'm Vice President and Controller in Bemis Company. And here I'm going to walk you through the assessment of the company for the long run. And first, I'm going to talk about opportunities. There are lots of potential for further innovation into new packaging concept for Bemis, which enables it to build a broader customer base. One example will be flexible packaging. One of the reasons why flexible packaging is becoming more popular is consumer convenience. Today, more and more consumers have irregular and busy lifestyles, and they prefer ready-to-cook products because they do not have time to cook meals, enabling them to save time. In addition, consumers are increasingly interested in health products, which is speeding the industry's growth. Health concerns are rising, and health awareness is growing among Canadian consumers, and will continue to accelerate as the population ages, with 25% of the population over the age of 65 by year 2031. And second, I'm going to talk about the threat. One ongoing issue about nanotechnology in food packaging is that social acceptance of nano-enabled products is currently unclear. Although nanotechnologies have contributed a lot of changes to the societies in many aspects, such as economy and workplace, the risks that may accompany their use are mostly unclear, and their potential social and economic impacts raise issues regarding fairness and equity, many of which are difficult to predict. So lastly, I'm going to talk about strategic problems. Bemis is involved in several lawsuits, and one of them is environment related. It has violated Comprehensive Environmental Response Comprehension and Liability Act of 1980 and similar foreign laws due to its 17 different sites across the United States and Brazil. The company is being investigated of releasing harmful substances in the environment which damage its reputation. The conditions fees can also impact the company's businesses if it's too high to cover.
Now that Jerry has given us an assessment of the long run, we can start to look to the future. I'm Jane DeRoque, and I'm the current head of research and development for Bemis Company Incorporated. To stay competitive and maintain our innovative advantage, here at Bemis, we are looking to start using nanotechnology in our food packaging. Some of the alternatives that have been considered are using packaging that detects foodborne pathogens and chemicals, sensor technology packaging, barrier packaging, biodegradable packaging, regulating the internal environment packaging, self-healing composites, and lighter, stronger, and more heat-resistant films. Whenever the discussion of nanotechnology comes up, you always have to look at the benefits and consequences for your consumer. Some of the many benefits of nanotechnology include a longer shelf life, the ability to detect when food goes bad or has been tampered with, and also more environmentally and flexible packaging. While all of these benefits are great, there are still some consequences that are of concern to consumers. The biggest one of these would be that the unknown possibility of nanoparticles leaching into food. Currently, research is being done, but there have been no conclusive evidence as of yet. After a complete assessment of both the risks and benefits of nanotechnology in food packaging, Bemis Company Incorporated has decided to go ahead with biodegradable packaging. The reason for this choice is that there's already biodegradable packaging that is familiar to consumers in the marketplace. As well, there is a perception of less risk associated with biodegradable packaging because consumers believe that this only affects the outside environment versus the internal environment where the food is being stored. The other reason that Bemis has chosen this is our commitment to the environment. Biodegradable packaging is inherently environmentally friendly, and this is a big trend with consumers right now.
Thank you for taking the time to get to know Bemis. We hope we are now your choice for inspired packaging solutions.